number of ways that customers can save on their home loans. Something as simple as making their repayments in line with their pay cycle, if that was weekly or fortnightly. That will reduce the interest payable over the long term and certainly the loan term. They could make additional repayments. We have total flexibility on all of our loan products with loan repayment. They could, should they receive a small windfall, whether it's a tax return, an inheritance, a lotto win, any of that can be applied to their home loan. And again, because they're paying that directly off the principal, that will reduce the interest for them and the loan term. Some of our loan products allow an offset account. That also will help them to save money on their loan. The benefit of having an offset account is that you can reduce the interest that's payable on your home loan. And the way that works is you would pay your salary, your wages, any other regular credits you might get to your account into your account, leave them in the account for as long as you can to offset against your loan balance. And the way that offset works on a full offset is if you were, say, to have a loan balance of $100,000 and today you have $10,000 in your offset account, we would apply the interest just against that net balance of $90,000. Ideally then, in order to maximise those deposits in your account, you would put most of your monthly expense onto a Heritage Visa. We could set up an automatic repayment which ensured that that would be cleared monthly by the due date, so you wouldn't incur any interest, and thereby maximising the benefit of the funds sitting in your account offsetting against your loan. Having a larger deposit helps you in a number of ways. Firstly, the larger the deposit, the smaller the loan amount that you need to borrow. So clearly your repayments will be less, the interest will be less. But it also assists you in terms of the setup fees on the loan. Any loan where you have less than a 20% deposit, we will insure that loan. We lend up to 95% of the purchase price of a property, and that premium that is charged by the insurer is on a sliding scale. So if you were borrowing 95% of the purchase price of the property, obviously that would be a larger premium than if you were able to borrow, say, 85%. So clearly it's in your best interest, the greater the deposit you can accumulate. That will definitely help you. But having said that, we do lend up to 95% of the purchase price of those properties. If I was to nominate the top 5 features of our products, I would suggest competitive interest rates would be number 1. You have the ability to make additional repayments on all of our loans, and as well we have a redraw facility. We have an offset facility that's available with a number of our loan products, and certainly our fixed rate options are some of the best. Borrowing to purchase a home is probably one of the largest financial transactions most of us will make. So it's really important that we get that right and we get the right advice and the right products. Here at Heritage we have a very comprehensive and competitive range of products, but we couple that with our award-winning service by our expert home loan lenders.